Dear students, in series of physics puzzle, let us come to next question. Here in this question, you cannot tell purely as physics or maths. Here we have to use mathematical skill as well, but fundamental mathematical skill. What is the question? Let's watch this. Question states 4 ants are traveling on very large plane, are in uniform motion, that is straight line, constant velocity motion, so as they have random locus which are non-parallel, so as any two ants can meet, but not more than two snail paths can cross at any one point. If it is clear to everyone, not more than two snail paths can cross at any one point means two ants meeting are at a time, not three, not four, at a time meet together. It is like that. Question is clear to everyone. If it is given, five different meeting between ant pairs occur, then maximum possible number of meeting will be option A 5 only and next meeting is impossible, B 6 next meeting may be possible, may not be possible, C 6 and the next meeting will must occur, D 12 and next meeting may occur after 5th encounter. Now let us come to this question and how to solve this question. Now everyone had written this question, I hope so. Then let us proceed to the we are preparing for solution. Everyone must have clear about the question. What is the question? Now let us proceed to the question solution. Everyone must have understand what is the question. First of all, what are maximum possible number of encounters? For maximum number of encounters, what we can write? For group of n ants, n belongs to positive integer, and two taken at a time. We had already discussed more than two cannot meet at a time, and two taken at a time without rearrangement. In that meeting, we are not going to discuss that first and second and first separately. First and second meet means it is one meeting, two taken at a time without rearrangement. Then such number of meeting will be how much? It is nothing but we can see as per this question, without rearrangement, how many such meetings are possible. For maximum number of encounters, we can write it is n is equal to n combination 2. Now we can write it as n into n minus 1 by 2. अब यहाँ पर now we can see total number of ants are 4. It implies how many total number of possible encounters? 4. Out of 4, 2 chosen at a time without rearrangement will be 4 into 4 minus 1 by 2. That is n is equal to 6. Therefore, n is equal to 6 is maximum possible number of meetings. Now, next part of the question is, it is total number of possible number of meeting may be maximum, that is 6. Now, if fifth meeting is possible or not. Now, if Fifth meeting, up to fifth meeting, it is already, or it has already occurred. Sixth meeting is compulsory or not compulsory. For that, let us consider denote ante which has already made all other three fellows. For 5 encounters. Now we can see already 5 encounters occurred. Now I have chosen one of the and, that is A. Now consider other ands as B, C and D. We had already considered B, C and D. Here 5 encounters already occurred. One ant must exist who had already made 3 of its fellows. That is, A made B, C and D already. B made A, C, D. C made A, B, D, but D made only A and B. Let us consider like that. Now, let us choose A as frame of reference. Frame of reference. Then what will occur? If A is frame of reference, means we are watching by sitting over ant A. It is in our imagination that we are sitting over ant A and watching the others. In that frame of reference, what we can say, observer is at rest, means ant A consider itself as at rest. That is the concept of relative velocity, and other are moving with relative velocity with respect to A. Then in our imagination, we are on A and we have chosen frame of reference A, and let us consider A is at rest at origin. Let us choose A as frame of reference and A is origin. A is at origin. Here logical thinking required. Other method is also there where we can apply pure maths. Here I am applying concept of relative motion. The other 3 ants already made A. Here we can see, and therefore we can say they crossed origin. It is simple to think. They must have to cross origin because A considers itself at rest and it is at origin. Moreover, one of them let D already met its 2 other moving fellows. As 5 encounters already occurred. As 5 encounters already occurred. Now you think itself. This is the only condition, this is only possible. This is only possible if B, C and D B, C and D are moving along same straight line. B, C and D are moving along same straight line. Then only it is possible. Then this results in now or then C and D will have to meet as well. Sorry, B and C will have to meet as well. It means meeting is must. Next meeting is must. Then what is our correct option? I think explanation is clear. Here intelligent logic is required. No much calculation is required. This question is not based on too much calculation. Here answer is C. Thus what we are getting? Our answer is C. Thank you very much.